I guess it is. Italy and Greece. They did. I can't believe they were. Did we come early? Holy shit. So many people. Wow. It just keeps wrapping. Oh my god. Or aisle seat every single time. I asked always taking the middle seats, whatever. But look, we got two. We got not one but two. So one for me, one for you. Look at this. We got 1 and 2. I've watched 2 movies, the second Joker and Am I Okay with Dakota Johnson. So good, by the way. Highly recommend. Not the Joker though. The Joker was not up to par. But I feel like we've been on this flight for about like 3 hours or so, give or take. It's a 5.5-hour flight, so probably 2 more hours till we get to Seattle, and then we'll take a shuttle to this ship. By the way, we're going on a Alaskan cruise, so pretty exciting stuff. The national park, So we've arrived in the Seattle airport. We're stopping to get payway, and then we're gonna go find our shuttle. I know, pretty. Never had like live music in the airport before. It's pretty cool. Oh, look, you put our suitcase right here. Okay, so we dropped off our bags, and now we gotta go find the bus. We gotta go back in, up and around to find the bus. Like, everyone's yeah. Well, I mean, it's Alaska. Well, it's my first time. Everyone goes on Alaska cruise. It's my first time doing a transfer from the cruise. Oh, yeah? Yeah, with Uber or trying. But it kind of came included, right? Yeah. I mean, you want to go ask? Bro, this is going to be so good. This is honestly so great. I'm so hungry. Haley hasn't had this in forever. And I mentioned it, and she looked it up, and there was one in the Seattle airport. And now here we are. Look at this. I paid for it. I bought her some lunch.
This is a very scenic route. It's up here at about 11 o'clock on the watch. It's so big, you can't miss it. We're looking on Icebreaker headquarters is here on the left. Keeley, famous son of the state of Georgia. And there's delays, of course. Wasn't their fault. Ships, I've never missed a ship. We've got within, so it's good. Brents are probably, Seattle Art Museum in San I don't know why there's so many people out here all of a sudden. Thing. There must be.
Goes all the way down there. So the line goes all the way back to the edge water. This is the longest line I've ever seen for a cruise in my life. I mean, this is so far. So, we have made it officially to the end of the line. It's way up there, the entrance. How you feeling?
Dude, we were supposed to get on the boat at 11 and it's literally 2:02.
It took so long.
I don't know if it's normal for Seattle, but it definitely isn't normal for cruises.
Yeah. Well, where's my suitcase?
I don't know. Might be there, might not be. Yours is there.
Oh, yes. Oh, we don't get a queen.
Push our beds together if they go together.
Oh, that sucks. I thought we would have a queen.
We can move them together, maybe.
What? First off, I wanna talk about this airport experience. It was everyone's spring break, so everyone and their mama was at the airport.
They saw we were two girls and didn't think we wanted to share a bed. Or else I booked it wrong.
Did you? This is gonna be like camp again. At least there's no wooden pole in it.
Hey.
So this is the bathroom situation. Got a nice glass shower here. It's actually a lot bigger than our Princess Cruise one. Our room is a bit smaller, but it's for a bigger bathroom. Still living the dream. Do you think my mom's gonna text? What'd you get? Canadian custom form.
I'm sorry.
We are going to go check in with the chefs to make sure that we have like vegan and dairy-free food for us. So that's what we're doing now. We're checking with the chefs.
I'm sorry if I look like too much of a bum.
So that's the outside area. Jimmy's gonna be going. The casino up there, that's for sure. Look at this. Whoa, look at this, Hales. Did you look up? That's pretty crazy.
Okay, it's right in here.
Is this like an everyday thing, or is it just...
This is today's menu.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
mini golf and stuff.
The go-kart track though,
Yeah.
is what's giving. There's bars, but whatever. It doesn't like the screens. What?
Perfect.
Alright, well. Come here. This is crazy.
There's a Space Needles.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
Like yeah,
It's like a little
it
fish
rains
city.
a lot, but
It's a fish city town.
from what we've seen so far. Imagine this in Alaska though.
Wow, look
Yeah,
at
right to the-
this. What? Oh. Wow. Look at the side of this.
Slides on.
Yeah, I know. I was pointing to
I know.
it.
But
and
should
you
we go
didn't-
and swim?
No.
Why? Me moment. Pick me.
This is just so pretty. We're gonna go on that ferry when we get off the boat, so we can live our Grey's Anatomy choose me, love me moment.
I
I love traveling with you.
Me too. I wouldn't be against like walking on the treadmill next to you.
You want me to walk on the same treadmill next to me?
No, or just like
There's so many
if I'm
treadmills.
up, I wouldn't be against going.
Yeah, nothing is dairy free.
Which I mean, it normally isn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like
Finally, request your undivided attention as we begin our mandatory safety briefing announcement. According to SOLA Safety of Life and Sea Standards, International Maritime Law, and be given prior to sailing or immediately after departure. We will meet in your service station on the front.
So we're on a mission to find my mom and Jimmy. And we're gonna try their room first.
I think we're just gonna sit there.
Do you think they're at the bar or something?
I don't. That's so good.
Oh my gosh.
I was like,
Oh
Lauren,
my
it's
God.
probably easier to find them at their room.
Well, I texted you, and then I'm like,
Oh,
and
yeah.
I tried to FaceTime you, and that.
Wow, this is so
Gang's all
nice.
here. Hey, you got a balcony? Wait, let's go out.
We
Let's
pushed
go
our
out.
2 beds together.
Wait.
They gave
Okay.
us 2 twin beds.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, this is nice. Look at this.
Nice.
This is what luxury feels like. Look at you in a red suit.
Flight and everything.
Yeah, how was y'all's travel experience?
Perfect.
Yeah?
It says
I just need to grab some sunglasses. Sure.
there's gonna have a high energy dance floor.
Yes. We are so doing that.
And
Haley just likes coffee. That's literally all she
Coffee.
drinks. What? Cheers.
Cheers.
you like cold coffee drink.
Say it again, Jimmy. Say it again. Yes, we're finally moving. An hour later. Oh, buildings are moving. We are officially moving.
Down now.
What did you say?
25 a person.
25. We're not doing it.
This is the first cruise to go to Alaska this whole season, so we're probably gonna be the only boat in Alaska.
Really?
Yeah, it'll be not like private, but like one of the main dining rooms, so it's included. At least it blocks something like a good amount. I mean, on Glacier, when we're in the national park, I'll probably steal one.
Strawberry or something.